time far behind, leave my pride. Oh, is it alright if I stay?
Kira Knight from Buxton Real Estate here today at our latest listing. This one's on just shy of 2.5 acres. Beautiful ranch style home, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, massive garage in one of the best pockets of Kilmore. Let's go in and have a look.
Is it alright? 'Cause I wish we could just stay. Take our time far behind, leave our pride. Oh, is it alright if we stay? Is it alright if I decide but change my mind? Is that okay?
Thanks for joining us on the tour here today. As you can see, this home has plenty of upgrades throughout. To book an inspection, feel free to give us a call.
Is it alright if I waste my time and I lead myself to a mistake?